I saw this at Costco and couldn't just walk past it. They are quail eggs. And I'm going to make 2 dishes with them. It's simpler than you think, but something you will coming back to. I will start with a salad that one of my viewers requested. First, I will steam the quail eggs for about 10 minutes. I found that steaming makes the shells much easier to peel. If you don't have a steamer, you can just boil them. Peel the eggs and set them aside. Cut the apple, cucumber, and bell pepper into similar sizes. For the cucumber, remove the seeds to reduce excess moisture. Add everything into a bowl, then add the quail eggs as well. Add a few cherry tomatoes for extra freshness. Also, add some almond powder and raisins. Adding raisins and almond powder helps to reduce moisture and makes the flavor even better. Add mayonnaise, Greek yogurt, and a little honey. Season with a bit of salt and pepper to taste. Mix everything together. And you will get a salad that's creamy, nutty, crisp, and refreshing. Something you will keep going back to. This combination works surprisingly well. Now let's make something completely different. With a bowl of rice, this one is hard to stop eating. For the sauce, just remember about 1 tablespoon each. Gochujang, ketchup, tonkatsu sauce, oligosaccharide syrup or sugar, and mirin. Add a little garlic. As long as you remember about 1 tablespoon each, it's very easy. Taste and adjust with a bit of soy sauce if needed. Add some oil to a pan and lightly brown the quail eggs over medium heat. Once they are golden, add the sauce and let it simmer. When you see this color, it's almost done. Finish with a sprinkle of sesame seeds and parsley. Serve it over warm rice. It's simple home cooking. But a flavor you will keep thinking about. If you have a quail eggs, try making these 2 dishes. Simple, but a taste you will keep coming back to.